All right, if you want the quick and dirty way of keeping your body absolutely healthy, I'm gonna tell you right now, and this is gonna cut through all the BS, everything that you hear all the time out in the world about staying healthy. Really what comes down to is your lymphatic system and your gut. So there's a few ways that we eliminate toxins and trash out of our body. And that's gonna be through your urine, your stool, right, your sweat, and then also how you breathe. So you expel toxins out of your breath. So that's why they do breathalyzer tests, right? Because you're expelling the alcohol out of your mouth. So if your lymphatic system isn't working, it's an integral part of your immune system. It's pumping fluids around to get them to the parts of your body where it needs to maybe attack bacteria, funguses, other things that might be not healthy for you. And then if it's pumping the toxins out around through your body, we have to eliminate them. We have to eliminate them through the digestive tract, mostly. You can also do it through those other means, but if you're not doing it properly through the gut and it's getting reabsorbed back into the body, it's gonna get reabsorbed deeper into the tissue, into places that are gonna be harder to get it out next time. So really, health issues come down to this main thing. It comes down to toxins and inflammation. So the main key is to get the toxins out because they can cause inflammation and keep inflammation down. Those things, if you do that, you're gonna live a long and healthy life. And that's really what it comes down to. So how do we do that? Well, we eat clean. Eating clean means eating things that come from the earth. If it's been processed, if it has been touched by man to an extent that it's like has emulsifiers and stuff like that, it's usually going to be extremely unhealthy for you. Now there's a fermentation process that can be very healthy for you. That's a little bit different, but again, we're kind of just adding to that process. We're not manipulating it through scientific stuff. Like they have neuroscientists now that know exactly what part of the brain foods are going to activate and make you addicted to it. So first off, eating healthy foods from the earth, particularly in the season that they're in, right? If you're eating the same food all the time, like if it's not, avocado season and you're eating avocados all throughout the year, you may have an immune response that's gonna cause inflammation. So we eat clean, we exercise, we drink lots of healthy water, we flush the toxins out. If our body is working properly, it'll just naturally do it. Nowadays, we have to do above and beyond because we're being assaulted chemically on another level that we've never been exposed to, that our body can't keep up with, our liver can't keep up with the process of eliminating these toxins. So, what are the things that you can do to do that? Again, eating clean, eliminating toxins through exercise, right? Because you're sweating, it's helping your gut, you're increasing oxygen levels. So those are the two main things that I always suggest. Now there's other things that you can do now, like drinking lemon water, which will help your liver. Things like fulvic and humic acid, which have known to help the gut. These are like ancient soil that is filled with minerals and also helps the gut bacteria. So those things, you got electrolytes and minerals, so remineralizing what you've lost. Those main things, that's it. That's really all you need to worry about. And I spoke with Dr. Jennifer Daniels, and she was a Harvard undergraduate. She went to UPenn Medical School and the Business School of Wharton at the same time. So she's a genius. But she told me when she was in Harvard that she knew she was gonna go into medical school. She was killing it in Harvard. She went to the top floor to find out all the medical information she could find out before she went to med school. And she told me in the Harvard library, which is very hard to get into, that basically what she found out is doctors don't really do much for you at all. Staying healthy is about clean water, clean food, staying healthy, exercise, sleeping well, right? Recharging the body, not getting too much stress. That's really what it comes down to. Less exposure to toxins. If you do those things, you don't need the doctor. We have been programmed that we need the doctor, which is not true. So, main thing, keep your lymphatic system moving, that's through exercise. You can pump the lymphatic system naturally through rebounding, right? So if you really want to pump it, you can like pump it yourself. There's certain points. That's not what this video is about. There's other videos on that I can send you. So you can pump your own lymphatic system. It's going to help dramatically improve your body in every single way possible, which is why exercise is so powerful. So lymphatic system, gut health, lymphatic system, gut health, those two in combination are going to solve almost all the issues that people have. If your lymph system is not pumping and flowing, you're going to have toxins going up into your brain and staying there. This is called Alzheimer's, dementia, all types of other diseases, MS, all this stuff, because the toxin buildup will start deteriorating on your nerves. And that's where the back program also comes in, because we are now helping the body process things out by moving properly and getting the nerves firing properly. So I hope you found this helpful. I talk about the lymphatic system, also my book, Healing Hacks, and I break down what you can do for your lymphatic system along with the back program, other things like that. So I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.